Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Period. So in this video I will be sharing with you tech news from 24th of May to 31st of May, and this is my tech news number 1. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first news that comes from the Apple company is the release of iPad Pro on 29th of May. Now I will be telling you the specifications of iPad Pro. You can use the iPad Pro with touch, pencil, keyboard and now the trackpad. The iPad Pro has the Liquid Retina technology. The H2's Liquid Retina display is not only gorgeous and immersive but also the features incredibly advanced technology. Number 1, like the Pro Motion, and number 2, True Tone and industry leading color accuracy, which make everything feel responsive and look stunning. Quite simply, this combination of features makes it the world's most advanced mobile display. Now I am going to tell you about its cameras. The advanced cameras combined with a large display, fast performance and highly calibrated sensors have always made iPad uniquely capable. The wide and new ultra-wide cameras help you frame the perfect photo or the video. Now I am going to tell you about its performance. The iPad Pro is even faster than your PC as it has A12Z Bionic chip. It also has a keyboard. The best typing experience on iPad, a trackpad for the cursor in iPad operating system and front of the back protection. The iPad Pro has an Apple Pencil so that you can mark up a PDF, design a building or retouch photos. The iPad Pro attaches magnetically and charges wirelessly. The iPad Pro has up to 10 hours of battery life. Now I'm going to show you how does the iPad Pro actually look like. So this is for the iPad Pro's news. The next news is coming from the Sony company and it is for the PlayStation 5. So basically Sony has announced that the new PlayStation 5 games will be unveiled on June 4 at the launch event. This will be the first time and the Japanese tech giant will show the new games coming to PS5. This special event will be live streamed online on 4 June at 1 PM Pacific time. Sony has revealed a logo for the console, the PS5 gamepad. If you are thinking that you will finally get to see the look of PS5, then you are wrong. As per the news, the announcement says that the Sony's next PS5 event will show only the games. Sony has just revealed the logo of PS5 as of now. On the special launch event, which is scheduled on 4 June, we will see the first look of the console, thinking how Sony PS5 will look like. That's it for the news for the PS5. Now let's move on to the next news. This news is for the OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro users. OnePlus 7 has rolled out the new software update of Oxygen operating system. As per the news, OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro smartphones are getting Oxygen operating system update, which brings new features like Dolby Atmos support, bullets, wireless Z earphones, and will also allow you to record 720 pixels videos at up to 960 frames per second slow motion. This update is rolled out in a phased manner and the users will get a notification once the update is ready for them. However, you can manually check for the update by going to the settings, then system and going to the system updates. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Period, as well as press the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.